Positive thinking and self talk have the power to shape our reality in profound ways. When we engage in positive self talk, we are essentially programming our minds to believe in our abilities, overcome obstacles, and remain resilient in the face of challenges. This form of internal dialogue influences how we perceive situations, react to stress, and approach goals. Instead of focusing on what could go wrong, positive self talk encourages us to envision the best outcomes, helping to build confidence and reduce anxiety. For example, when facing a difficult task, instead of saying, I can't do this, try saying, I have the skills to figure this out. This shift in mindset doesn't just boost self esteem, it rewires the brain to focus on solutions rather than problems. Consistently, practicing positive thinking fosters a growth mindset where setbacks are seen as opportunities to learn and success is viewed as an attainable result of effort. Perseverance. Remember, the words you tell yourself matter. By replacing negative thoughts with affirmations of possibilities. You not only improve your mental well being but also set yourself up for greater achievements in life.